This video is called Unloading the Dishwasher. Elle already did a video on loading the dishwasher, and our dishwasher just finished, so I'm going to empty it. And got quite a bit of dishes here, but I'm going to do the top first, because, and then I'm going to do the bottom second. We got coffee mugs. What we got here, you probably want to have a system for where you put your dishes away. My wife and I, we're a little short, and the way the kitchen is kind of arranged, it's hard to have a good system for putting dishes away. But we both can reach the dishes over here, and it's wide enough they can fit everything. So get these coffee mugs put away. All the glasses are done. Then the dishes, plates, and check your plates. This one's dirty still, so I'm going to leave this to get washed again. And I can put it back a little bit. Maybe that's why we get some clean. Put it over here. Get a couple bowls. And this Tupperware we'll put up top here, and the silverware. Be careful with the silverware. Make sure when you put the silverware into the dishwasher, the knives are facing down, the sharp points are facing down. So when you reach in, you won't hurt yourself. And it's pretty easy after that. Just
well, go slowly with the knives.
Organizing the sink in the drawer. And we got a nice little system where the forks go where the forks go, the spoons go where the spoons go, knives go where the knives go. And then Tom goes here. That is unloading the dishwasher. Oh, and then make sure you shut the door when you're done.